Hello again! In this video we're going to speak about our 2-in-1 remote for NIce Flor-S system. This cloning remote has a unique function. It can clone the original NIce Flor-S remote outside of range of the receiver. The clone will not occupy internal memory of the receiver and will not interfere with the original remote. Both the clone and the original remote will work without any issues. In fact, you can make as many clones as you like and they will all work just fine, even if there is no available memory in the receiver. Let us show you how to program the 2-in-1 remote for NIce Flor-S. As you can see, the cloning remotes are not yet paired with the receiver. The receiver itself has free memory. First, we need to program the original remote nominally, that is, in accordance with the instruction manual for NIce Flor-S receiver. We will also program one 2-in-1 remote for NIce Flor-S. Per default, 2-in-1 remote for NIce Flor-S acts as the original NIce Flor-S remote, so it can be paired with the receiver nominally through the Learn Code button on the receiver. Now we need to wait until the receiver exits the learning mode. And now let's check. The green light means that the receiver accepts the commands from the paired remotes. As you can see, both remotes work and do not interfere with each other. The remaining 2-in-1 remotes for NIce Flor-S have not been paired yet, so they do not activate the automation. Another nominal way to program the 2-in-1 remotes is through remote programming without physical access to the receiver. To do that, press and hold the button you wish to program on a new 2-in-1 remote for NIce Flor-S for 5 seconds. After that, take a previously paired original remote or 2-in-1 remote for NIce Flor-S and press the activation button 3 times. Each time you press the button, hold it for 1 second. The receiver is now in programming mode. Now on our new remote, we'll need to press and hold the chosen button for 5 seconds. The remote has been paired, and if we check all 3 paired remotes, all of them will work without any cross-interference. Once again, this is nominal remote programming, one of the 2 programming modes intended by the NICE manufacturer, the other one being programming mode through the Learn Code button on the receiver. Now we're going to demonstrate how to clone the code from previously paired remotes. On a new 2-in-1 remote for NIce Flor-S, press and hold buttons A, B, and D for 1 second. Release B and D and continue to hold down button A. Place a previously paired remote close to the 2-in-1 remote and press and hold the activation button until the clone emits a long continuous flash. The clone can now be used to activate the automation equipment. You will see that both the clone and the original remote work without cross-interference and the pairing is stable. By copying one button of the original remote, the clone copies all its buttons. It means that the code from the second button on the original remote has also been copied to the clone. Button 2 has not been paired yet, but we can also try to program this second button in the receiver. Let's do that. The red light shows that the second button on the clone has been bound to channel 2. Because the clone and the original remote now have identical codes, the second button on the original remote will automatically be bound to channel 2 as well. As you can see, button 1 on both remotes controls channel 1 and button 2 controls channel 2. This is indicated by green and red lights respectively. Now we have 3 remotes which were programmed nominally, and 1 remote which was programmed without any interactions with the receiver.